So I remember when this came up last year, very funny trending AI images. It was really, really funny, and sometimes real stories about this and the rest of that. And one thing about this stuff is that visuals are really, really helpful for your business. You see, I sell data, I'm trusted and reliable, and that is very true. I sell data at really affordable rates, and I'm going to be dropping the link in the comment section where you can buy data at really affordable rates and do your VTU services yourself. All right, and I also teach people how to start a profitable data reselling business using, sorry, this year I'm on a mission to raise telecom millionaires, and of course I would like for you to join that. So stick with me as I show you how you can create these images. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you or showing you how you can create trending AI images for free, and this is going to be a practical video. And the thing is, this is going to be very helpful for your businesses, for phone, and whatever it is you want to use it for. We'll be using two AI tools for this. Like I said before in my previous video, or one of my video, AI has come to stay, and AI would always, it's not going to replace humans, but of course it's going to be helpful. It's going to be really, really helpful. And if you're the kind of person who's here to embrace AI or the power of AI, you should have a rethink, because AI is here to stay. You can create videos, create whatsoever, swap faces by just using AI. You can create beautiful pictures, in fact studio worthy pictures, by just using AI. So what is stopping you? Today we're going to be doing something differently. This is something that's trending, and I felt, okay, why not, let me put this up. So in creating training AI images, we will be needing two tools. Of course, we're making use of ChatGPT for this, and then we're making use of Microsoft Bing. Some time ago I have videos, I have practical videos, do it yourself videos on how you can create talking images, on how you can generate videos. You can check them out yourself. I'll be dropping the link in the description below, so that you can watch these videos directly. AI, they've come to stay, like I said before now. So all we need to do in creating training AI images, we just need to make use of our brain, our creativity, IQ right here. You just need to be creative. Now you're going to be needing prompts, of course, to be able to generate this. When you come to ChatGPT, you just have to message ChatGPT, and let me tell you something. ChatGPT, you can use ChatGPT to do whatever it is you want to do, to create content, to create whatever it is you want to create. But please do not copy ChatGPT directly. You can be creative about whatever it generates for you. Be creative. So we'll be asking ChatGPT to give us a prompt. Okay, we'll just say, give me a prompt Give me a prompt of a Nigerian woman sitting down with her children. So this is what ChatGPT gave us. A Nigerian woman sits gratefully with her children, the warm glow of sunlight streaming through the window, creating a serene and loving atmosphere. Describe the scene and capture the emotions in the moment. I'm not going to be wasting your time in this video, so we're going to just, I told you, you have to be creative. If you want probably you want your business, you can just say, okay, give me a prompt, or type me a prompt of a Nigerian woman carrying a placard with I sell this, I sell that kind of stuff, with your phone numbers attached. You can put in your phone number. You have to be creative. Okay, is it an African man chastising his children, or a child running from chicken, or running. You just have to just be creative. Like I said before, you have to be able to bring out your creativity IQ. So all we need to do is copy. Good, we've copied. Now we'll be making use of another website, which I'll be typing. All right, so I'm going to open a new tab. Bing.com. Let's be careful how I type it. Images. Create. I'm trying to type in this bit by bit so that you can know how it has already appeared. Click on it. Let's let it load. Wait for it to load. So describe what I like to create. I don't think I have an account. I don't have an account with them, so I need to log in. So I'm going to be. This is going to be very practical, so that if you are the kind that you probably have not used this. Okay. Let's use my main email. Let me create one. So I'll be typing in my name, my last name, Korea, Nigeria. So I will still have to go to my email to generate the code I was sent to. So I've successfully verified my Gmail account. So the verification process took a while because you'll be given two stuff to verify. You'll be given an audio and a visual. I was able to verify myself using an audio to show that I'm human, so I couldn't do that. I wouldn't be able to show that because of the all right. So let me just give you let's say a hint. You'll be given three songs of course, and you'll be asked to listen to them, and check for the one that changes instrument and the rest of that. You just have to, and then you'll be verified. So remember what I told you, just copy and paste. We had to create an account, of course, and we are done with that, and see what it has generated for us. It has given us 4 wonderful images. We typed, a Nigerian woman sits gratefully with her children, the warm glow of sunlight streaming through the window, creating a serene and loving atmosphere. Describe the scene and capture the emotions in the moment. Now we have 4 images with Nigerian women. Which one should we go for? Okay. I don't know, but I feel I love this. You have to long press for you to download the image. Our file has been downloaded, and that is exactly how you can create training AI images. Like I said, you have to be able to bring in your creativity IQ. Of course, you're creating something very how do I put it now? You just have to bring in your creativity, whatever, into the picture. Think of something, just use your imagination, think wild. Okay, I need a father who probably give me a prompt. Like I said, use ChatGPT to generate your prompts. AI has come to stay, and of course it has come to help us with whatever it is we're doing. So thank you for staying with me till the end of this video. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like, subscribe, share. Thank you. I love you.